All right. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Crypto Market Daily. This is your boy Bobby B in the house. Woo! What a day. It is gory. Ladies and gentlemen, there's blood. There's a lot of blood, ladies and gentlemen. There's a lot of fear. And there are some very important news we got to cover. Let's jump in. Dow Jones, it looks like we are having a decoupling before our eyes. Right now, the Dow Jones looking like it got a very nice bounce all the way up to that 32,788 price range. Looking like we got to break out of that. It's about a 7.5% move. Those are the kind of moves we like to see. Everybody was talking about the markets going into bear territory. Well, guess what? Finding a bounce and trying to get out of that bear territory. What about the decoupling with BTC and the crypto market? Well, we'll jump into that. Right now, looking to get a nice little breakout out of this Fibonacci. So, price point to watch in order to get out of here. Ladies and gentlemen, S&P looking pretty good. Also, the inverse correlation with that VIX, that VIX when it's in red, S&P in green. We like that. Also, usually the way that it works is when all the Dow Jones, Nasdaq, and the S&P are in green, we're in green. And when the DXY, the US dollar index, is in red, we're in green. But guess what, ladies and gentlemen? That's not happening. That DXY is down to 101.52, looking like it got a fat rejection right around that 102.42 at that 0.5 Fibonacci. Right now, looking like it also got rejected right around that 618 at 101.99, and looking to get our macro, or shall I say our micro fib on the 786 right around 100. So, Two options here. We're either going to get a bounce out of nowhere or it's going to fall off the table. That's pretty good. That's a price we got to watch. That 101. After that, it's just going to get lower. Inverse correlation, when that's dumping, BTC is pumping. But guess what? That's dumping and BTC is dumping. So, hold on, ladies and gentlemen, because we broke out of the channel. We said we can follow the channel until it breaks. Well, guess what? The channel broke. And speaking of channels, Crypto Market Daily, smash up that like, subscribe. You guys got to stay on. We have to keep our eyes open. 1.13 trillion is the line in the sand. We're not talking channels. We're not talking Crypto Market Daily. We're talking total crypto market value. The cap cannot go below that 1.13. Right now at 1.18, we know that that's really close, probably a little too close for comfort, but we could either see a very nice V-shaped recovery bounce, we could just see a bounce come out of nowhere, or we could just fall off the table. These three options are on the table. That's why we got to keep a vigilant eye on the prize. The prize is getting BTC, stacking up those sats, those satoshis, while everybody is fear and worried about going to zero. We're calmly adding to our bags. So, fat rejection, ladies and gentlemen. No way near that $31,000 price target. We actually broke all the way down, nearly hitting the 618 at 27.7. So that's our new line in the sand. That 27.7 has to hold. That's at the 618. We do know that reversals, boom, usually come right around that 618. We can bounce up. I mean, if we start getting some momentum, right now we're at 29, pretty much 29,000. If we can get back up to that 382, ladies and gentlemen, we're just going to continue on up. However, if we do not hold the line, we can fall back down to our previous lower price ranges, right around that $25,000 price point. So, last but not least, Dogelon, ELON Mars. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we broke out. Right now, we are at a very juicy price range, but don't get too tempted, ladies and gentlemen. We could have lower price points to come. I do not know if you guys remember, but we told you that you would have your chance again at a lower price point. This is that chance. However, if we fall off the table, then it's going to get really, really ugly. That RSI is at 27, MACD in the red. Next price point to watch is 405. If that doesn't hold, my line in the sand is 351. We'll talk about everything. If it goes to 351, that means BTC is at 25,000. So that's the next price point we have to watch if we don't hold. If not, we're just going to go up, ladies and gentlemen. Huddle on strong. Do not worry. Stress less. Stay positive. And always remember, BTC is a market mover. So just as fast as BTC went down, it can break back up. We just need those buyers to step in, push out those sellers to continue on up. As of right now, we're going down, getting a little bounce, decoupling away from the Dow Jones, NASDAQ, and the S&P. And it looks like we're pretty much on our own here. So this is a very interesting time. Do not fall asleep right now, ladies and gentlemen. We love you. We'll see you tomorrow. God bless you. And as always, guys, peace out.